Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irnama Suryani, and here I like to tell about language in communication in Introduction to Linguistic. First, human non-linguistic communication. Non-linguistic means not using language. Non-linguistic communication is the imparting of information without using language. Non-linguistic communication may be conventional or spontaneous. First, conventional non-linguistic means of communication consists of gestures, incomprehensible to the uninitiated, usually stipulate beforehand and sometimes convert into rules of use. Second, spontaneous gestures are divided into 4 groups: pointing gesture, gesture that convey or relevant emotion, emphatic gesture, and rhythmical gesture. Next, animal communication. Animal communication is the transmission of a signal from one animal to another such that the sender benefits on average from the response of the recipient. Next, kinesics. Kinesics is the nonverbal behavior related to movement, either of any part of the body or the body as a whole. And there are basically 5 different types of kinesics. There is emblems, regulators, illustrators, effective display, and adapters. Next, proxemics. Proxemics is the study of human use of speech and the effects that population density has on behavior, communication, and social interaction. Next, paralanguage. Paralanguage is nonverbal communication such as your tone, speech, or manner of speaking. Next, reflexivity. Reflexivity is the property that enables humans to use language to think and talk about language itself, and doesn't appear to be present in any other characters communication system. Next, interspecies. Interspecies communication is communication between these different species of animals, plants, or microorganisms. Next, interspecific communication. Interspecific communication involves the emission of species signal by one member or the sender, their reception and processing by a second member or the receiver, and an adaptive effect on the subsequent behavior of both organisms. And that's all about language in communication. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.